Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on, they give me nothing back. But it's love, I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break them down, break them down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a bronzy Kim Kardashian inspired makeup look. The first thing I always do is prime my eyelids, and then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Orange Soda eyeshadow. So I'm going to blend this shade all over in my crease using a very big fluffy brush. I notice whenever I look at Kim Kardashian's makeup, the shades in her crease are always really up high towards her eyebrows. So I'm really going to focus to kind of connect the eyeshadow in my crease with the eyebrow and leave no space in between. I will leave a space like at the highest point of my brow where you can see that it's now a little bit lighter. But at the beginning of my brow, I really want it to be connected to the brow. Now I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to blend it the same way as I did with the Orange Soda eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend it from all the way to the outer corner to the inner corner. And also trying to focus it to be a little bit higher, just like I did with the Orange Soda eyeshadow. And I really like this. I'm trying to do this also, this technique on a regular base. I feel like the higher you blend out those eyeshadows towards your brow, you get more of a lifted effect. Then I'm going back in with the Orange Soda eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend it one more time around the crease area to make sure that everything is well blended out. I always do this just in case to make sure it looks great. And then I'm going back in with the Burnt Orange eyeshadow and apply a little bit more of it, because I felt like it looked a bit too light and I really wanted this eyeshadow color to stand out. And then of course you can go back in with the Orange Soda eyeshadow and blend it one more time around the edges. But I'm going to use the INGLOT pigment and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. I noticed quite some fallout, so I'm going to apply a little bit of the super matte loose powder underneath the eyes. You can see it's now like underneath the eyes. And this will like make sure that the fallout that will fall, I can just really easily sweep it away. So lately I see that the makeup artist from Kim Kardashian, Makeup by Mario, is applying a lot of bronze all over the eyelid, and I just really like how it looks. So that's why I'm using this pigment. I haven't seen like Kim Kardashian using exactly this shade, but I just felt like it looked really pretty in combination with the matte eyeshadows. And then once I have applied it, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Duraline by INGLOT and apply a little bit more of that pigment on the eyelid. This will give it more of an intense effect. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. I don't think Kim Kardashian uses a lot of eyeliner, but I am going to wear fake eyelashes, and I feel like if I don't apply eyeliner, you will see the lash band really clearly, and I don't really like how that looks. Then I'm going back in with the Burnt Orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this right underneath my lower lash line. I'm just going to blend it back and forth using a very tiny pencil brush, and trying to connect this with the eyeshadow around the outer V. Since I used that same shade on the crease as well, it's now really easy to connect the lower lash line with my eyelid. Now for underneath my lower lash line, I'm going back in with the INGLOT pigment, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that pigment below the lower lash line as well, just to make it a bit more bronzy. Then for my waterline, I'm going to use the Zoeva Nude Eye Pencil. I feel like most of the time she has like a nude eye pencil in a waterline. Sometimes she does wear a brown pencil, but for this look I wanted to keep it fresh and make my eyes appear bigger. Then I'm going in with my Attitude Feisty eyelashes, which are my favorite for on a daily base. They are not too dramatic, I just feel like they suit my eye shape really well. And then this is almost the end of the look. I really hope you like how it turned out. This is not like an exact copy of one of the eye looks that she has been wearing, but just like the shimmery shade all over the eyelid, and to apply the brown in the crease up a bit higher. This is just a inspired look by her looks. At least her makeup artist looks that they do on her. But I hope you get what I mean. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed or if you have any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words world slipping on to give me nothing back. But it's